Agriculture, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Minister V. Hankailan stresses role of nurses in healthcare. Education Minister Radheshyam urges people to preserve and promote the rich literature of Manipur. Anti-corruption cell holds review meeting to discuss 25 corruption cases in different departments. And Union Environment Minister Anil Dev no more. Prime Minister Narendra Modi describes his death as a personal loss. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Lathingwa Monica with the latest news updates. Agriculture, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Minister V. Hankailan has stated that nursing is the foundation of healthcare. He was speaking as the chief guest of the International Nurses Week celebration in RIMS today. The minister termed nursing as the most trusted profession. He appreciated those who took up nursing as a profession. Hankailan also said, by helping the poor, old and the needy, nurses served the humanity. The program was jointly organized by Trained Nurses Association of India and Students Nurses Association Manipur State Branch under the theme Nursing a Voice to Lead, Achieving Sustainable Development Goals. Parliamentary Secretary S. Subhash Chandra, Director of Health Dr. K. Lokendro, nurses and nursing students from various colleges attended the event. Prizes were also distributed to the winners of sports and literary events held yesterday as part of the International Nurses Week celebration.
Nursing litana, Dr. Khatanasu, nursing care literally treatment over the Nawabatoi, Maramaduna, after post-operation matungda nursing care fazana literally pramanda septicemia gumba ate foglakpa nurses se jamna henna thawai jamna lairaba mi singe patients sing needy people poverty ni oibdi kha loin mo manade makoi sing se tu gat chadana fazana care to bibo matamda madu gi devotion na. It is a service to the humanity. Aduga humanity ki service se God ki service ni haina luxury.
A review meeting of the anti-corruption cell was held at the Chief Minister's Secretariat this afternoon. A total of 25 cases were discussed at a meeting which was attended by top officials of the government. It may be recalled that 5 persons were suspended yesterday by the cell relating to corruption. They are Hirom Dinesh, LC of Home Department, L. Loken, FA, M. Kunjaraj, FA and N. Ziban Singh, LDC of Mahut, KSH Suresh, LC of MSPDCL, and Ramesh Attendant and Dr. O. Hiramod, Associate Professor of JENIMS, and G. Kitty Sharma, SI of Home Department. 3 employees of Mahut were also disengaged from duty.
Since the establishment of anti-corruption cell in the CM Secretariat, we now receive so many WhatsApp messages, and most of them are of the nature of wishes, then advice, and so on. But from among them, we pick up 184 complaints till now. We have some credentials, some proof like that, and we have endorsed this to the concerned department. And from this 184 complaint till now, some IT reports has been received from the different department till now.
Education Minister Thokchom Radheshyam says a website of books rewritten in Meitei Mayek script from the Bengali script will be launched soon for the students in BA and BSc. Speaking at the 11th Mayek Chatpanumid of Meitei Irol Iyek Loinasel Lon Apun Ballob Milal at GM Hall, the minister assured that he will work for the promotion of Meitei Mayek in consultation with Directorate of Language Planning and Implementation. He appealed for people's cooperation, preserve and promote the rich culture of the state. Appreciating Milal's effort to promote the language, Radheshyam said the government will provide all possible assistance to it. A website of Milal, www.milal.org, was also launched at the event. Prizes were also distributed to the winners of the Meitei Mayek competition organized by Milal.
Pasta Roma Meitei Mayek was on the school singa karam ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯕꯣꯔꯗ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯥꯎꯕꯤꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯟꯅꯖꯒꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯖꯒꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯒꯦ.
Labour and Employment Minister T.H. Radheshyam today visited Labour Department at Deputy Commissioner Office, Lumphail, and held meeting with the officials, including the Commissioner of Labour. He inspected the office premises and expressed his dissatisfaction at the condition of the office. Radheshyam asked the staff to treat their office as their own home. He also saw the construction works carried out in the DC complex. The minister discussed matters related to labour, employment, service, craftsmen, training, manpower planning and development, coordination of various projects for educated unemployed at the meeting. A 6-day science motivational program for girls contact program kicked off today at Agriculture Training Palace. The program is organized by Manipur Science and Technology Council (MASTEC) under the aegis of National Council for Science and Technology Communication (NCSTC). Director of MASTEC T.H. Surendranath said the motivational program will provide the students an opportunity to learn science besides their academic syllabus. He said science teachers will guide the students in choosing their career. The same motivational program will be held for boys in June. 52 students, 3 each from 13 schools, are taking part in the program.
Interact medical science, engineering science, physical science, mathematical science, biological science, science discipline could lecture people last day pull up Hamaga. I could use heart hanging question hunting as I was asking Akamba feeling.
One of the important venues of the Siroi festival, TNL ground and a road approaching the ground are in a deplorable condition. Visitors to the festival faced a lot of inconveniences as the TNL ground is covered in mud due to the rain on the first day of the festival. Traditional dances are held since the first day of the festival at TNL ground, which is located in the heart of Ukhrul. Tangkul Nurabi part in Umang Lai Harauba, Sumang Lila, Tangkul dance, Mau dance, Maring War dance, Maibi Jagoi, Thogal Jagoi were performed today at the ground. Even though visitors and people of Ukhrul wanted to witness the various traditional arts and dance form of the state, they are disheartened by the condition of the road. The number of visitors at the flower show and exhibition of Ukhrul products also became less. If authorities are concerned, do not take proper arrangement, the number of visitors might drop next year.
Mafam asini kogi Siroi festival gi yamna maruiba mafam ahungi manungda ama oiriba TNL ground hariba ground si figam ni myam magic phangri basi duga maringda lariba sina hariba festival asigi cultural gi oiba tharum kyam patofam oiriba tu naba stage duni hariba ground asigi akoibada kogi store kyam su kogi ukhulgi oiba lay singi exhibition ama mafam ase pangthokli myam ku phangri gani hariba mafam sing asida hoji hojing mak kogi nonggi figam phakidaba maramna Mafam asida yamna chawna kudung chadaba kya ama hujuji mayoknari mafam asida chawna kudung chadaba su loirana mafam asida nong takibana maram morega lekhom nenang amodi miyam chapda yamna kudung chadaba dugi badu thena basu hariba festival asi yamna tangna amodi amukhak thokoi maramna miyamna nong churabasu lekhom thoklabasu festival asi yaubudi dumak lagnari lengak asina mathangi Siroi festival fawda hariba kudung chadaba singasi matik chana simin biregadi Manipur khak natana malemi tongan mafam singdagi lam koiba kayana hariba Ukhrul district ke chuma phajaba singasi pangmani haibasi achirba thajabani hojiki nadi camera person Somojit habung loina paramjari ba ai ketame Premchan Impact News Ukhrul.
For the second time in Manipur, Startup Weekend will be held at Singjamei supermarkets from the 26th to 28th of this month. Startup Weekend is a US-based non-profit global network founded in 2009. The global network aims at providing a platform to young entrepreneurs in the field of technology, education, healthcare, telecommunications, etc. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, co-founder of Nibia Consultancy, Erusil Namairapam says the Startup Weekend is being organized in Manipur to introduce the unique culture of Manipur to the rest of the world and to provide a platform to people who are interested in business. The event was also first held in Manipur in 2014.
We Manipur da anova idea lezaba masagi idea lezaraga hauba ngamdaba natraga hauba da problem lei myamdo adum myamda samana face to minaraga events gi through da competition ama oina tawraga competition to gi thoba ideas into nurture to minasi na hai adu gi pandam ne ko sinjabse thahum gi incubation chu tawni adu masi incubation period se da khoi gi basic startup ma haubi kai gi daka tai fundamentals myamdo startup financials oiro natraga startup ki company valuation se kamai tawi audagi idea se kamai na akhui venture capitalist ma on the pitch tawni and masi gi basic concept me am di share to minaba aduga basic concept me am the clear to bidam da khoi mating palmina se na sinjabane.
A delegation of Delhi Manipuri Society met Union Minister of State for Development of Northeastern Region, Dr. Jitendra Singh, and submitted a memorandum to him. The delegation urged the minister to declare Patriots Day and Ningol Jakoba as restricted holidays, as both the days are very important for the Manipuris. A two-day seminar on contemporary Manipuri poetry and its perspective began today at Dev Literature Center on DM College campus. The seminar is organized by Sahitya Academy and Cultural Forum, Manipur. Several papers will be presented at the seminar, which will have 4 sessions. The first session was chaired by well-known Manipuri writer Ilangwam Dinamani. The civil society organizations of Mori, including Hill Tribal Council and Kuki Students Organization, MYC and KWU and HR, strongly condemned the bomb blast at Gamnon Vang Community Hall last evening. The civil society organizations will impose 24-hour total shutdown in Mori town and Asian Highway No. 1 from midnight tonight as a mark of protest. While Lambi Ningthozam Lekai and the Singjamei police station staged a sit-in against the bomb blast near the gate of Wahengbam Samu last night. Protesters displayed placards condemning the blast. It may be mentioned that unknown miscreants exploded the bomb around 11:30 last night. Samu is a businessman.
Yumlaktana bom langchandana khotana tawbase yam nungai jate ado khoi masi tadi tawbi kano mapuji junga e ado kan main tawrino si amte sengtok piro na khoi hajening police ta jo khoi masi kari tawbono amte munna thiga piyo na hajening.
93 forged driving licenses have been detected in the driving license verification drive carried out since May 16. The Transport Department in a press release says the cases have been handed over to CID crime branch. Let's take a short break. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Union Environment Minister Anil Dev is no more. He was 60. Dev had not been keeping well for the last few months. He complained of uneasiness at his home this morning and was rushed to AIIMS, where he passed away. Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted that he was absolutely shocked and described Dev's death as a personal loss. He wrote, "I was with Anil Dev till late last evening discussing key policy issues." The Prime Minister also says Dev will be remembered as a devoted public servant and was tremendously passionate towards conserving the environment. Dev, who had a long-time association with the RSS, was appointed Environment Minister last year. Now news from the world of sports. As India gets set to host one of the biggest ever sporting events, FIFA Under-17 Football World Cup, football fever has started to rise in the country. However, the mini football fest to be organized in Delhi's Connaught Place in presence of Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Vijay Goyal, Chief Minister of Manipur Nongthongpam Biren, and renowned boxer Vijendra Singh has been cancelled following the demise of Union Environment Minister Anil Dev. District Youth Affairs and Sports Imphal East will organize district-level Subroto Mukherjee football tournament. Interested boys under 14 and 17 years and girls under 17 years may contact the DYASO's office at Kumalampak Sports Complex for details. The 18th S. Birendra Singh Memorial Super Division Football League, 24th L. Sangeeta Devi Memorial First Division Football League and L. Suniti Bala Devi Memorial Senior Women's Football League will be organized by Imphal West District Football Association from June 20. Musa Major Khul and FC Imphal Mayai Koibi entered the semi-finals of the first Sangai Trophy Veterans Football Championship. In the first quarter-final match played at Kumalampak Main Stadium today, Musa Major Khul trounced VSAI Team A Thangmaiban 3-0 to enter the semis. CH Ingobi and Chitay netted the winning goals for Musa Major Khul, while in the second quarter-final match played between FC Imphal Mayai Koibi and NCDA Khongampat, FC Imphal Mayai Koibi scored a goal in the first half, but NCDA Khongampat walked out of the field in the second half due to a brawl on a penalty kick awarded by the central referee against NCDA Khongampat, and FC Imphal Mayai Koibi was declared the winner of the match. 20 teams are competing in a tournament organized by All Manipur United Veteran Football Association. Tata Trust and All Manipur Football Association have signed an agreement to broaden grassroots football development program in Manipur. AMFA has selected 10 grassroots coaching centers to provide infrastructure to the centers under the funding of Tata Trust. The centers will have 30 to 50 children from 6 to 14 years and 20% will be girls. Arrangements have been made to start the first phase coaching program under the grassroots football development program at AMFA Grassroots, DSA Kakching, DFA Thobal, DSA Chandil, AJSA Ziribam, Kripsa Nauremthong, Raul Larikingbam Lekai, DSA Bishnupur, Siko Haubam Marak, and an exclusive center for girls at ESU Wankai Center. Neo Sanjembam and FC Yumnam Kuno won their respective match of the 12th Tello Joint Cooperative Farming Society Limited Trophy Lamlai Kendra Village-wise Men's Open 7A-side football tournament. In the 47th league match, 5 goals from M. Taibanganba, L. Bijain, L. Bikramjit, L. Sanajauba and L. Bikas took Neo Sanjembam to victory against ELC Nonganda by 5-0. While in the 48th league match, FC Yumnam Kunau trounced NNCK Nongren 4-1. In a match of the 5th Y. Rashmani Memorial 9-a-side men's hockey tournament, Hockey Union Larikingbam Lekai Trust YCCIC Konta Ahalu 8-2. W. Robinson netted 3 goals, Y. Vidyananda scored 2 goals, while K.H. Ronel, A. Suresh and Y. Chinke netted 1 goal each for the winners. In a 9th league match, Pham Yai School and KHSC Kongman netted 3 goals each to draw the match. Before we end, a quick look at headlines once again. Agriculture, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Minister V. Henkailan stretches role of nurses in healthcare. Education Minister Radhesham urges people to preserve and promote the rich literature of Manipur. Anti-Corruption Cell holds review meeting to discuss 25 corruption cases in different departments. And Union Environment Minister Anil Dev no more. Prime Minister Modi describes his death as a personal loss.